Solve linear formulas for a given variable. So solving formulas is much like solving general linear equations. The only difference here is we will have several variables in the problem, and we will be attempting to solve for one specific variable. We often are given problems where we only solve one variable and the rest are numbers. So in solving formulas for a variable, we need to focus on the one variable we are trying to solve for. All the others are treated just like numbers. Say, for example, this problem here. So we are given the formula A equals pi r squared. Okay, it will be A equals pi r squared plus pi rs. And we need to solve for s. So how are we going to do that? Solving for s here, we focus on what is added to the term with s. So we subtract pi r squared from both sides. So we have this would cancel out, equal to 0. So we get a minus pi r squared equals pi rs. So we are interested in s only, so we divide both sides by pi r. So pi r here, this cancels out. So our s would just be equal to a minus pi r squared over pi r. So that is our solution. So let's try another problem here. So what if we're given a over b plus c over b equals e? Then we solve for a. So how are we going to do that? First thing we do is to clear the fraction we use here, the LCD, which is b. Okay, we can just simply add the numerators because the denominators are just the same. So we can write that as a plus c over b equals e. So we want to solve, we are interested in a, solving for a, so we can multiply both sides by b. So that would be a plus c equals eb. And to solve for a, we group eb and c. So this one goes to the right. We group eb and c. C would become negative. So a equals eb minus c. So that is our solution. Let's try another one here. So we're given here a equals a over 2 minus b, and we solve for b. So in this case, we use the LCD 2 minus b as a group, or we just simply multiply both sides by 2 minus b. Okay, so we have a times 2 minus b equals a, because the 2 minus b here cancels. And then we distribute a here to the term inside a parenthesis. That will be 2a minus ab equals a. Then we group a and 2a, the big A and 2a, because we want to solve for our b. So we just write negative ab here as it is. And then a, we move 2a here, there will be negative 2a. Then we divide both sides by negative a. So we'll be left with b. This cancels out. That is 1. So our b would be equal to a minus 2a over negative a. So that is our solution. I wrote here some practice problems for you to work on. Try solving them.